Welcome to this Odoo tutorial by ATBCPA.com. In this video, we'll show you how to create a sales tax report for Texas and how to create an invoice to see the effect on the sales tax report. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Odoo main dashboard. Go to the Invoicing module to access the necessary financial tools. Click on the Reporting menu and select Sales Tax Report. Here, you can generate a report for the sales tax collected in Texas. Make sure the date range is set to the desired period to see accurate data. Next, we'll create an invoice to see its effect on the sales tax report. Go to the Invoicing module and click on Customers, then select Invoices. Click on Create to open a new invoice form. Enter the customer's details and the products or services provided. Ensure that the applicable Texas sales tax is selected for each line item. Fill in the necessary information, including the quantity and unit price. Once all details are entered, click Save, and then Confirm to finalize the invoice. This action will update the sales tax report with the new invoice. To see the effect of